Hello friends, welcome to GEM Academy. Today what we are going to see is how to find the GDP deflator. To find GDP deflator, we need to have two values, nominal GDP and real GDP. After finding nominal GDP and real GDP, we should apply in the formula GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100. So here the problem is given. In the pink ink, the problem is given. Laptop, mobile, LED, TV. But actually, to find the GDP deflator, the products manufactured in the country, all the products manufactured in the country are taken into consideration. But for our problem, they have given only three: laptop, mobile and LED, TV. Quantity, Q for quantity and P for price. In the year 2015, laptop quantity is 500 and the price is 35. For mobile, the quantity is 1200, price is 15. LED TV 345. And in the year 2016, laptop is 550, 38. Mobile is 1415. LED TV 350 and 45. And in the year 2017, laptop is 600 and the price is 45. Mobile quantity is 1515 and price is 14. For LED TV, quantity is 400 and the price is 45. And to find the nominal GDP. Nominal GDP, the same year, 500, 35, 1200, 15, 345. The same table is rewritten here. 550, 38, 1400, 15, 350, 45. And quantity 600, 45. $1,550, 14, and for 400, 45. Here something is written 600. Here 600 will be coming, and this one is 45. Here 1550. This one is 14. Okay, friends. For nominal GDP, we are multiplying the same quantity with the price in the same year. 2015 quantity, 2015 price. Here also 2016 quantity and 2016 price. And for 2017 quantity, 2017 price. We are multiplying all this. So multiplying these two, and I am getting GDP. Total GDP, all these together, we are getting 49,000. Adding 17,500, 18,000, 13,500. We are adding all these three and getting 49,000. And in the year 2016, 550, 38, 1415, 350, 45. Multiplying this one, I am getting 20,900. 21,000, 15,750. By adding this, I am getting 57,250. And in the year 2017, 600, 45, 1,550, 14, 445. So multiplying this, I am getting this one, and by adding this, I am getting 66,700. So nominal GDP for the year 2015 is 49,000. Nominal GDP for the year 2016 is 57,250. Nominal GDP for the year 2017 is 66,700. Next one, to find the real GDP. Real GDP is found calculated at the base year. Here base year is 2015. So the value doesn't change for the year 2015. The same value I am taking, 535, 1215 and 345. The same values, the same 49,000. In the nominal GDP also the same value. Next, come to 2016. Here, quantity is 2016, but the price is 2015. Depending on base year, we are calculating the real GDP. 550 into 35, 1400 into 15, 350 into 45. The same way for the year 2017 also we are getting 600 is a quantity and 35 is a price for the base year. 1550 is the quantity for 2017, but the price is 2015 price. 2017 quantity we are taking and 45 is a price for 2015. So I am just multiplying the same way and adding these three values. I am getting 49,000, and for 2016 I am getting the value 56,000, and for 2017 I am getting the value 62,250. So GDP deflator is nominal GDP divided by real GDP into. Next we are going to the calculation. GDP deflator, nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100. For the year 2015, 49,000 is the real GDP, and this one is also same. So 100%. For 2015 is a base year, so we are getting like this. And in the year 2016, 57,250 is the nominal GDP and 56,000 is the real GDP. So by solving I am getting 102.2%. And for the year 2017, 66,700 is the nominal GDP and the real GDP is 62,250. So by solving I am getting 107.1%. So here is the solution. For the year 2015, the GDP deflator is 100%. For the year 2016, the GDP deflator is 102.2%. And for the year 2017, the GDP deflator is 107.1%. Here is the solution. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.